Do you hear that? Sounds like it's coming from the cheese.
I'd offer you, honey bear, some cheese, but I can see that you're already full. Already full? Oh, that's rich. Oh, boy. Oh, excuse me.
Tutter?
Hello, bear.
Tutter, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing much. You see, once you showed me how to measure things, I started measuring the